Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, March 1st, 2023. It is 5:13 and 34 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, gut's microbiome. So let's jump to it here. Your gut's microbiome on a chip, organ-on-a-chip devices, simulate the gastrointestinal system to examine food and drug metabolism without clinical trials for animal models. Date February 28, 2023. Source: American Institute of Physics. Researchers describe how gut-on-a-chip devices can bridge laboratory models and human biology. Modeling this microbiome is particularly difficult because of its unique environmental conditions, but through creative design, gut-on-a-chip devices can simulate many of these properties, such as a gut's anaerobic atmosphere, fluid flow, and pulses, contraction, relaxation. The growing intestinal cells and the environmental means that they more closely resemble human biology compared to standard laboratory cell cultures. Rounded models of the gut are therefore immensely useful for understanding its function and associated ailments as the researchers gather observational information. Organ-on-a-chip devices are miniaturized models of human organs. They contain tiny microchannels where cells and tissues, cultures interact with precisely controlled nutrients. Regulating the cell's environment in such a way is crucial for creating realistic models of tissue. Using these models avoids the time-consuming and costly challenges of clinical trials and the ethical issues behind animal testing. As medical research is currently facing major hurdles, both in terms of understanding the basic science governing the function of human organs and the research and development of new drugs and therapeutics. Access to valid models of human organs that can be studied conveniently in the laboratory can significantly accelerate scientific discoveries and the development of new medications. As recent gut-on-a-chip models have demonstrated success in maintaining a viable co-culture of the human intestinal cells and the microbiome for a few days and even up to weeks, as this opens up new ways to analyze the microbiome under biologically relevant conditions. The researchers highlight key gut-on-a-chip devices and their success in simulating microbial and human cellular biology. They also describe current disease models and drug studies using this technology. Its unique capabilities make the organ-on-a-chip app for plenty of research investigations in the future. The team is currently investigating dysbiosis and imbalance in the gut microbial community with major health consequences. They aim to find innovative ways to diagnose, mitigate, and treat this condition. And this is a Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.